I want to explain to you how to use the words etter, etterpå, and etterpå. They're very similar, but there is also some significant difference between them. So let us first look at the word etter. Well, the word etter by itself, it means after, and it is a preposition. So what it means that it has to go together with an object. For example, etter frokost har familien det travelt. So etter goes together with frokost. Etter frokost. After breakfast, the family is busy. Etter lunsj skynder jeg meg til bussen. After lunch, I rush to the bus. I hurry to the bus. Yeah, so etter is a preposition. It goes together with some noun or a pronoun, like etter deg, etter ham, after you, after him, and so on. Etterpå means afterwards or after that, and it is an adverb. So, what it means, if we start the sentence with the word etterpå, then it has to be followed by a verb and a subject. So, it causes an inversion, like this. Først drikker Monica kaffe. Well, first Monica drinks coffee. Etterpå pusser hun tennene. After that, or afterwards, she brushes her teeth. And you see, etterpå pusser hun tennene. Afterwards, after that. Emma har lekser, og Marianne hjelper henne. Etterpå leser Henrik et eventyr for barna. You see again, etterpå, verb, subject. So, afterwards, Henrik reads a fairy tale for the children. And we can also put the word etterpå in the end of the sentence, and then it means afterwards or later. Vi trenger ikke å gjøre det nå, vi kan gjøre det etterpå. Yeah. And the last one is etterpå. Etterpå also means after in English, but it is a subjunction. It's not a preposition. So what is a subjunction? Subjunctions introduce a subordinate sentence. So it has to be followed by a whole sentence, by a subject and a verb. Han skal begynne å arbeide etter at han har tatt eksamen. You see, etter at introduces a subordinate sentence. Etter at han, subject, har tatt, verbal expression, eksamen, the object. Vi kan se på film etter at du har gjort leksene. We can watch a movie after you've done your homework. So you see again, etter at is followed by a subject and a verbal expression. So to sum it up very shortly, etter is a preposition and it's followed by an object. Etter frokost, etter lunsj, etter jobben, and so on. Etterpå is an adverb and it is followed by a verb and a subject, or we can put it in the end of the sentence. And then etter at is a subjunction and it is followed by a subject and a verb. So it introduces a subordinate sentence.